I'm Danielle, National Educator at Four Sigmatic, and today I'm going to be showing you about our Superfood face mask. It comes in this box, and there's actually single serving packets inside, so you know exactly how much to use for one mask. So if you wear makeup and it's the end of the day, make sure you've taken that off, done a thorough wash, and then pour the entire packet into your bowl. You want to add a little bit of water, and then you want to mix it really well. You can see that was only a couple seconds, and now it's almost like a thin brownie mix consistency. I love this concept that whatever we put on our skin should be as clean, if not cleaner, than what we put in our body. You maybe have felt this before, like, oh my gosh, my skincare smells so good, I want to eat it. And what is so cool about our skincare is that it's so clean, you actually can eat it. Just like you're baking in your kitchen, leave a little bit on your finger and go ahead and taste it. I promise it's safe. Oh, seriously, so good. It tastes like you're eating chocolate. You get most of it off with water, but just for kind of those tougher spots, it's nice to have a washcloth on hand. Just really make sure you get all of the spots where you don't need additional cleanser or anything. Water should get it off just fine. Comes off really smoothly. So that's my skincare routine. Thank you so much for following along. I would love to see how you like to use our Superfood skincare. So tag us at Four Sigmatic on Instagram so I can see what you're up to.